Today we will make this cute small crochet hat. You can use any type of yarn you have and an appropriate hook depending on the yarn thickness. We will start with a magic ring. Once you make the magic ring, make 3 chains. And after the 3 chain, we will make 17 double crochet into the magic ring. So now we have 17 double crochet in the magic ring. Pull the yarn and tighten up the ring. Now to join both the ends, do a slip stitch on the 3rd chain of the chain 3. Next, we will start the 2nd row with chain 1. After the chain 1, we will do single crochet in every single stitch till the end. While you are starting with round 2, do not forget to mark your first single crochet with a stitch marker or a safety pin, anything you have, but do not forget to mark it. So round 2 is done. Now for round 3 to round 5, we will repeat doing this single crochet in every single stitch. After round 2, every time you start a new round, use a stitch marker on the first single crochet. Otherwise, for any beginner, it will be very tough to keep a track of the rounds. Once you finish till round 5, you should have a structure like this. Okay, so we are done with round 5. So now you can just remove your stitch marker and do a slip stitch in that place. Now to start the next round, which will be round 6, we will do 4 chain. Now yarn over, insert into the same stitch and pull through. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through only 1 loop, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So we will continue doing this 2 stitches in every space, and by the end of this round we will have 36 stitches. Once you are done with round 6, do a slip stitch on the 4th chain of the chain 4. Now to begin the 7th row, do a chain 1 and slip stitch in the same space. Again do a chain 1 and slip stitch in the next space. Again chain 1 and slip stitch in the next space. And we will keep doing this pattern till the end of this row. So our 7th row, which was the final row, that is done. Now we will just cut off the yarn. Now just take a needle and stitch the yarn inside the hat the way I have shown it, or you can do it your way too. Well, that's it. You have just made a beautiful hat. Now it's time to make those 2 small flowers which we are going to attach on the top of this hat. Okay, so we will start the flowers with a magic ring and then we will do chain 3. After the chain 3, we will do a double crochet into the magic ring. After the double crochet, make chain 2 and do a slip stitch into the magic ring. For the rest of the flower, we are going to repeat this set. So we will do total 5 petals. So we need to repeat this whole set 4 more times. And this is our first petal. I have made the same flower in a different color as well. You can choose your colors accordingly. Now this is the last part. Just take a needle and any thread you have and stitch these flowers on top of the hat. Also here I have made just 2 flowers. If you want, you can increase the numbers, you can decrease the numbers, just customize it in your way.